Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing something super exciting. I am reviewing every fitness enthusiast's dream, a full exercise kit by GONEX. So I've been using this home workout kit for a while now, and let me tell you, it has some amazing features. It literally has every single piece of equipment I thought I would ever need in a home gym. It has so many exercises that I can do to tone up every single bit of my body. So in the rest of this video, I'm going to give you all the information you need to figure out if this is the right kit for you. I'm going to be talking about all of the features of this home workout kit, as well as demonstrating a lot of the workouts that you can do with it. If you want to go check out the kit for yourself, it is linked right in the description down below. All right, let's go. All right, so just looking at the back of this box, you can see it comes with so many different pieces for all of your gym needs. We have a gym bag for all of the equipment, resistance bands in 2 different levels of resistance, the training base that you're gonna use for most of your workouts, ab rollers, a 3-section bar with bar pad, door anchor, push-up handles, training handles and ankle straps, and a full instruction manual with more than 70 different workouts. Okay, so this little book here is actually one of my favorite parts of this kit. It is a professionally designed 43-page manual with full workouts and video demonstrations on the online website. The manual and the instruction videos look like this. They have setup and execution instructions for more than 70 different workouts broken into 5 different muscle groups and level of intensity. So you can effectively and correctly train wherever and whenever. All right, and looking at this manual now, I think I'm gonna pick out some of my favorite exercises from some of the different muscle groups so I can show you guys exactly how it's done. Okay, so starting off simple, you can use just the resistance bands for external rotations or other shoulder movements. But if we bring the training base and these handles into the workout, we can do many more movements. We have the standing military press with handles, or the standing deltoid raises. Or you can switch out the handles for the ankle straps for a whole slew of other movements. Alright, now one of my favorite pieces of this workout kit is actually this section bar right here. It comes with 3 pieces. Right now I have 2 attached down the middle, but you can add another piece if you need it to be a little bit longer. And it comes with this amazing foam pad that really protects my shoulders and my back whenever I'm doing squats, which is more than I can say for when I'm at the gym. So really with this kit, I really feel like I don't need to go to the gym anymore and I can still get all of my workouts in. And install the bar into the post landline sleeve right here, and we've got a whole bunch of other exercises. And we've also got the push-up bars. A kit would be incomplete without these. All you have to do is push them into the board. And you can adjust them into different orientations depending on what muscle groups you want to work. Okay, I know that's a lot, but bear with me. There's actually still 2 more items left. That's just how comprehensive this kit is. We have the ab wheel roller that you can easily attach to the 3-section bar. It is right in the middle of 2 of the bars right now. And you can do it unassisted without these resistance bands or assisted with the resistance bands. And we saved the best for last. One of my favorite items of this whole kit is this door anchor, because that means you can literally work out in any room. It is super, super easy to use. Let me show you how. All you gotta do is put this piece through the door. And now you can do a bunch of workouts. Alright, and that is the end. I know that was a lot of stuff, but it's actually super surprisingly easy to assemble all of these pieces. Almost all of the pieces come with these carabiners or these hooks, so everything just goes together very, very nicely. And believe it or not, I mean, I couldn't believe it originally, but everything is portable. This base folds up, easy to carry straps right up here, and I have managed to fit all of the other equipment right here in this bag. Alright, and that is actually it for this review. I feel like I've gotten a good workout in just filming this video. But in all seriousness, I hope you guys can see that this workout kit really is no joke. It is super space effective and workout effective. You don't have to complain about expensive gym memberships or insufficient space anymore. You can truly work out in your living room, outside, in the office, even in a hotel on vacation or on a business trip if you'd like. So if you like what you see, make sure to check it out, linked in the description down below. And as always, if you have any lasting questions about this home workout kit, please leave me a comment down below. I am more than happy to answer them. And thank you guys so much for tuning in, and I will see you guys next time.